In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Volume Price Confirmation Indicator, or VPCI, in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy step-by-step guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have the indicator added to your chart, but you'll also understand exactly where to find it and how to get started using it as part of your analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open, any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is up, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators option on the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and premium indicators. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar. This makes it much faster to locate a specific tool instead of scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search field so it's active and ready for you to type. Now, in that search bar, start typing Volume Price Confirmation Indicator, or simply VPCI. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Keep an eye on the list that appears and look for the Volume Price Confirmation Indicator entry. Once you see it, click on it. TradingView will immediately add the VPCI to your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price candles, combining volume and price action to help confirm the strength of a trend or a move. After the indicator has been added, you will see its name on the chart, often along the top of the indicator pane. Next to that name, there will be a small settings icon. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window for VPCI. Here, you can adjust things like the lengths of the moving averages, colors, and visual style, so the indicator fits your personal trading layout and is easy for you to read at a glance. Take your time here and fine-tune it so it works with your existing chart theme and doesn't clash with other tools you might be using. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use the sign-up link I've placed in the video description. That link will take you straight to the official TradingView sign-up page where you can create or upgrade your account and then follow these same steps to add the Volume Price Confirmation Indicator to your Pro charts.